based on, see, its theme is randomness, which has been fascinated me for a long time. And how pictorially, in terms of making a painting, I've explored this theme in visual terms. So this is the main subject of my painting in this exhibition.
And this time I see the bigger canvases.
Yeah, this time I've taken a little bit more freedom since my earlier exhibition was at Ruchika, which had a big place, and bigger canvases give a sort of a better area or a better space and more freedom to work. I mean, the way I'm developing this concept, I feel I require the bigger space to work and to do justice to the subject and to the painting.
But conceptually, has it changed any?
Conceptually, it has changed quite a bit. If you followed my earlier work, there is quite a bit of a shift in this current series which I am working, in the sense that there is more movement in my new series. There is more color. Earlier the color used to be a little bit more muted. This time the paintings are a little bit more colorful, you can say. The movement is more. It is more linear. I have played around with more with lines than actually with masses of color. So this has been the major shift.
We are generally acquainted with your
miniatures. Miniature work. So you are not used to seeing me do such big size canvases. See, the theme is such that unless one explores it in this size, one doesn't end up doing justice to it. So that is why in this particular theme I have chosen bigger sizes for the impact which the size creates has got its own place in a painting. See, actually the smaller format paintings have to be worked out in a slightly different mindset. And the bigger sizes, one has to, what is called, go all out in exploring.
Good. Can you tell me something about the previous show?
The Ruchika one.
Yeah.
The previous show, Ruchika show, was also, in fact, most of the paintings there were of very big size, say about 4 feet by 5 feet, 5 feet by 6 feet. And the theme was same, but there, since the space was bigger, there was an advantage of displaying all the bigger canvases. The sizes, big size paintings require a little bit of more viewing space. So that advantage was there in Ruchika. The works were there of a similar type, similar in the sense they were in the same line of thought. This is sort of a continuation of that same series, but on a smaller scale. And there I had not exhibited drawings. Here I have added drawings so that people can sort to say relate my drawings and the painting which I do.
Now in the same sequence, what is going to happen next?
That's difficult to say. Painting is best left to itself to take shape. See, predicting in what is it called, or planning too much makes it look a bit contrived. So one has to allow the thing to take shape in the process.
Since you are coming at the beginning of the season in Goa, what do you expect? What are the prospects for this season in Goa? As far as art is concerned?
In my Ruchika show, the show went on very well. We sold about, say, more than half of the show. Myself and Harshada exhibited in Ruchika. So more than half of the show was sold out. Here it has just started, and the slowdown, economic slowdown has of course affected and is going to affect the art market, because this is basically a sort of a luxury thing. So let's wait and watch.
All the best.
Thank you.